Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is super important, especially for students and anyone interested in economics, banking, and global finance. So, we are going to understand multiple key terms like GOI, RBI, GDP, BOP, tariffs, and even global payment systems, all in one video. So, let's get started. So, let's start with the basics first. So, first is GOI, that is Government of India. So, it is a central authority that governs the country and it makes policies related to economy, taxation, trade, and development. So, in simple terms, GOI sets the rules for how the economy functions. Okay, next we have RBI. So, RBI is nothing but Reserve Bank of India, and the RBI is India's central bank. It controls money supply, interest rates, inflation, and banking system. So it also issues currency and ensures financial stability. So while the government makes policies, the RBI manages money. Okay. Next we have GDP, that is Gross Domestic Product. So GDP is the total value of all goods and services produced in a country within a specific time. It is issued to measure economic growth. And higher GDP means a stronger economy. Next, we have BOP, that is Balance of Payments. BOP records all economic transactions between a country and the rest of the world. It includes exports and imports, investments, financial transfers, and also it helps track whether money is coming into or going out of the country. Next, we have tariffs. So a tariff is a tax imposed on imported goods. Okay, so it is used to protect domestic industries, generate revenue, control imports. For example, higher tariffs make foreign goods more expensive. Okay, so let us see current account and capital account. So current account is nothing but um, trade of goods and services, income like interest, salaries, and transfers like remittances. And whereas capital account has all the investments, loans, and foreign direct investments, that FDI things. So this is all about capital and current accounts. So together these accounts form a balance of payments. Next we have SDL, that is State Development Loans. So SDLs are bonds issued by state government to raise funds. These are used for infrastructure and development projects. Think of it as a state borrowing money from the public. Okay. Next we have integrated interregional payment settlement mechanisms. So this refers to systems that allow countries or regions to settle payments directly without relying on traditional systems like SWIFT. So it helps faster transactions, reduced dependency on certain countries, and improved financial cooperation. So for this payment system overview, we have different systems for different countries. So let's see, first is the SFMS. It's for India. So SFMS stands for Structured Financial Messaging System. So it is India's secure messaging platform used by banks for fund transfers and communication. Next, we have that is SPFS, that is for Russia. SPFS is Russia's alternative to SWIFT. So it allows financial messaging within Russia and with partner countries. Next, we have CN, that is CIPS for CN, that is China. So CIPS stands for Cross Border Interbank Payment System. It facilitates international payments in Chinese currency, the yuan. Okay. So next we have BR, that is Brazil. So that is SPB. For Brazil, it is SPB. So, SPB is Brazil's payment system that manages financial transactions within the country. So, all these systems are part of a growing trend, reducing dependence on global systems like SWIFT. Next, we have AML-CFT measures. That is, it stands for anti-money laundering and combating the financing of terrorism. These measures aim to prevent illegal money activities, stop funding of terrorism, and ensure transparency in financial systems. So, banks and financial institutions must follow strict rules to detect suspicious transactions. So these terms together help us understand how a country's economy uh, is and banking system and global financial connections work. So if you understand these concepts, you have already built a strong foundation in economics and current affairs. So if any chance you have, that is, if you at any point of the time, if you found this helpful, don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.